Rodimus Bill here, and today I thought I'd do a quick review on upcoming Justice League Power Slinger figures. Now, from what it looks like, these all come with two different rubber or plastic long pieces. You somehow interconnect with the figures, and you could sling them across the room like the old rubber band slingers. Now, from what I see, they've got two different Superman, two different Batman, one different Wonder Woman. As you can see here, she has a net and a bow. Two different Flash, one with the blue slinging and one with the yellow slingers. One is an underwater type Flash. One Aquaman comes with a shark. It's got two different cyborgs and even a Steppenwolf power slinger figure. Now, I haven't seen these in person, but from these pictures, they're from Walmart in Canada, Target.com, and other toy sites. Now, my Target.com does have Superman, Batman, Flash, and Aquaman, the $9.99. And I think we're going to order some, and we'll see what it looks like.